Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today we are making mushroom risotto. This is super easy to make, plus it's a really tasty dish. And this recipe is enough to serve 3 people. To begin with, take 240 grams of washed mushrooms and finely chop. Now take 2 shallots and 2 garlic cloves, then peel. Then you need to finely chop them using either a mini food processor or a sharp knife. Next, place a large non-stick saute pan over a medium heat on the stove and melt in 5 grams of butter. And once the butter's melted, add in your chopped mushrooms and chopped shallots and garlic. Then fry the ingredients for 5 minutes. Next, add in 200 grams of risotto rice and pour in 150 milliliters of white wine. Then give the contents of the pan a stir for a further 2 minutes whilst remaining over a medium heat. Then crumble in a vegetable stock cube and top the contents of the pan up with some boiling water until just covered. Season with some salt, then give everything a stir, then leave to simmer gently for 15 minutes. And whilst the risotto is simmering, make sure the contents are kept just covered with boiling water, apart from towards the end where you can leave it to evaporate off. Now, after 15 minutes, add 80 grams of washed baby spinach and stir it into the risotto until reduced down. Now add 15 grams of shaved Parmesan and a handful of freshly chopped parsley. Then stir these ingredients into your risotto, then it's ready to serve. Serve it up whilst it's still hot and garnish with some more freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make this delicious, wholesome mushroom risotto.